Hello, how are you? I'm Deborah, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Cortexi before you decide to buy the product. I also have some very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say in this video. First point of attention. Cortexi is sold only on the official website, so be careful not to buy it on the wrong sites. And to help you, I left the link below the video description, okay? Now I'll tell you what Cortexi is and whether it really works. And the answer is yes. Today, this supplement has helped thousands of people, as it contains more than 20 natural ingredients tested and approved by professionals in its formula. In short, supplementation is extremely important because it ensures that we can age in a healthier way and with more vitality. So Cortexi was created to provide healthy hearing as well as strengthen your memory. Imagine being able to maintain your healthy hearing, enjoy conversations, music, and other forms of entertainment more clearly and pleasantly. And most importantly of all, staying safe, hearing sounds around you, such as alarms, sirens, and other danger signals, while keeping your cognition and memory in check. The second important point is that you can test Cortexi for 60 days, and if it doesn't work for you, the supplier will refund your money. Given this, Cortexi becomes very reliable because the supplier gives the product guarantee. Remember that it is extremely important that you follow the treatment correctly in order to achieve the desired result. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Cortexi will greatly help improve your life.